Hey, my stylish friends. Welcome to Sess Interiors. My name is Sess.
And today, let's go to Anthropologie for a little fall home refresh. Let's go. This is $38.99. 54. Look at that. 16. 33. Oh, wow. Also $18. I like that. These are 22. $24. $20. That's cool. And they also have the gold, the brass ones. 38 for this tall one. Love this. 49. Two tapers. This is $20 as well. My kind of fall decorating. Get something like this. 138. Or this color. I'd rather have this for this season anyway. Plenty of pumpkin fragrance and decor. It's not so bad. You want to put some pumpkin decorations. Ooh. That got me at black and white stripes. How much is this? 40 bucks. Not bad. Something like that. Very fall color. And scent. Not really. 34. Ooh, black. And then get something like this, which is also, well, it's 36. Not fan of the scent, but I like those colors for fall decorating. $44. So that's pretty. Is that capiz? Same scent though.
Okay, well, I'm not gonna buy any gas in there. Not mine.
$24. Let me show you. $79. Is this on sale? Like I can make this myself. And for 60. No, 50. Can't see the price. $9. I like this. $9.99. Okay, I want it.
No. Need a bigger side.
Can exchange this one. Look at that color, the tool. Those. Nothing really good here, so we can go. We can skip this. It's not bad. $9.95 each from $16. Anthropologie. I got two. I got a pair. I got this fruit strainer for me. Also $9.95 from 16 box. Anthropologie. So when I need to wash these fruits, these sweet pears that we picked from Honeypot Orchard, it will drain beautifully. There you go, my loot from the farm and Anthropologie. Actually, I have more. We got 2 varieties of the sweet apples as well. Gala and red delicious apple. What else did I get? I also got this peach preserve, and this one is from Threshold, and it smells amazing. It's whiskey and oak, my kind of scent. Lastly, my good friend Chef Glo has this mirror, and I told her I was looking for something like this, so we switched. I gave her my old one and I grabbed this from her. Plus, of course, I picked up pies that she baked. Yummy pies at that I will eat now for my breakfast. Yep, I eat pies for breakfast. Why not? And these are my new thrifted frames. Goodwill find, maybe temporary still, because I really want something amazingly big there on that wall. Something that speaks for itself. Just, I still couldn't find that. So that's still in the works, but that might go to the studio, or that might end up on this wall in the kitchen. And if you are ever wondering, I haven't really talked about this. Used to be cherry, and it has mirrors, glass mirrors that I painted over with matte black. It wasn't really my aesthetic, so instead of getting rid of it, I repurposed it, and I think it works so perfectly on this wall. And guess what's hiding right behind it? Our panel box. And it's the perfect size. Thank you to the previous owner who found this perfectly sized frame that I repurposed. No ugly panel box showing. So that's just an update. And of course, it's still ongoing. It's a never-ending process.
Don't forget to check out my other videos on design, lifestyle, and travels. Hit that like and subscribe button, spread the word, and comment below. Until the next one, remember, style is what you make or break. Love and light to all.